back to Festive Forever. So today I'm at Shivaji Park, which is located at Dadar, and I'm gonna take you guys to this restaurant called Tanatan. The name actually reminds me of this famous Bollywood songs. Anyways, it has nothing to do with the place. So this place is quite known for its coastal preparation, and here we are gonna try some chicken, fish and mutton. So let's go for it. So guys, here we have our first dish, cozy chicken. It's a South Indian preparation, so let's just take a bite. Here I can see some cashews and some curry leaves, and I think it's made in red sauce or red masala. So let's just take a bite. Amazing. Lots of ghee in it, and then I can feel that it's little spicy and I can taste cashews. करी पत्ता का अच्छा तड़का दिया है, which takes this dish to another level. So here you can taste a lot of curry patta and a lot of mustard seeds and aromatic spices. Everything is too good. I really love this dish. So guys, here we have our second dish, that is Ravas Tikka. So Ravas Tikka is made in tandoor from Ravas cubes along with Indian spices and lots of coriander and Indian masalas. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take a bite. So the ravas is quite moist and it's fresh, and it's cooked in tandoor with Indian spices, or you can call it tandoori spices. And also I actually feel that it's quite healthy, because as you can see that there is no much oil. It's made with less oil altogether, taking it and making it healthy. So the fish is quite good, and I'm definitely going to recommend this to you guys. So for the main course, we have ordered lal mas and steamed rice. So here we have steamed rice with ghee, and lal mas, as the name suggests, it's red meat cooked with Indian red spices. If you guys know that the lal mas is a Rajasthani creation where the lamb is slow cooked, all the Indian spices and Rajasthani spices. So let's just go ahead and first taste this gravy. Absolutely stunning. So I'm just gonna go ahead and serve myself. I'm just gonna serve myself very little rice. and some gravy, followed by some meat. I just take a bite of this as well. Very juicy. It's tasting really good. Very less spices, or you can say the Indian spices are not that dominating. You can taste a lot of red chili, and if you guys can see that they have also given red chili tadka, some coriander, and I think the gravy is also has tomato in it, which gives a kind of a tangy taste. So the dish is quite good. The meat is properly cooked, it's tender, it's juicy, and I think the dish is stunning. So guys, for our sweet ending, we have called for 2 desserts. One is gulab jamun with rabdi, and the second one is firni. So this firni is made with rice, kesar and pista. So let's just go ahead and take a bite. Kesar is quite dominating. Pista is tasting good and it's quite good. I love how the kesar is dominating over here. So now let's just go ahead and have the second one. Okay. Gulab jamun is quite hot. Mind blowing. Gulab jamun is so moist and drenched in sugar syrup, and the rabdi is tasting good. The sweetness is up to the mark, and I can taste little dry fruits also, but it's good. It's good. So guys, now we have come to the end of this vlog, and as usual we are going to rate this place on our festive meter. So this place is quite average. It did not match up to my expectations. I expected more from this place, but I think the place is quite okay. The food is decent, and ambience and the vibe of this place was all right, not that great, and staff is good, and I'm gonna rate this place 7 out of 10 on my festive meter. And that's it guys, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment in the comment section below telling me your experience or any suggestion that you have. So guys, that's all. I'm gonna see you in my next vlog. Till then, live life festive style. Bye bye.